I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: map access to the second sea, diving gear equipped, and at least one scout in your party. Once done, move to the nearest coastal waypoint and set a waypoint on any tide-related anomaly on your map. Make sure to stock stamina potions and 2x light sources for underwater visibility and extended searches. While you travel, brief your scout on patterns to watch: rip currents, gull clusters, and floating flotsam that indicate the tide keeper's route. Once in the second sea, focus on tracking signs rather than wandering. You follow rip currents and gull behavior for about 0.5 to 1 hour to narrow the search corridor. Make sure to pulse your sonar or use search abilities every 30 to 45 seconds to reveal intermittent tracks and heat signatures beneath the surface. If you detect anomalies, mark up to 3 wrecks or reef gaps and revisit them in sequence, because the tide keeper often cycles between nearby hiding spots before surfacing. You engage the tide keeper at a shallow reef so you control surfacing windows and avoid deep ocean hazards. Once engaged, use interrupts at its 50% and 20% health thresholds to stop tidal burst mechanics. This reduces party-wide displacement and makes DPS windows safer. Rotate crowd control on summoned adds and keep mobility cooldowns for knockback avoidance. If the tide keeper disappears or the trail goes cold, immediately backtrack to the last mark.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.